Hi everyone, it's Dawn and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, I'm Dawn. I'm a 50-year-old green beauty vlogger here on YouTube. So if you're interested in clean beauty products, particularly for mature skin, you have come to the right place. I wanted to start this video, first of all, announcing the winner of the Andalou Naturals 1000 Roses skincare giveaway that I've recently done. It was in my January favorites, I believe. I'll link the video below, but many of you have entered the giveaway. You just had to enter by saying 1000 Roses in your comment. And then I used Random Comment Picker to select a name, and that name will come across the screen right now. Congratulations. I would like you just to contact me through the Gmail account linked to my YouTube channel. If you click the About section of my YouTube channel, you will see a Gmail account there, and you can just email me the address to where you would like me to mail your gift. So thank you all for entering the contest and for supporting my channel. It means a lot to me. But I do have another product for you today, and it is a product that I chose because I wanted to include a peptide moisturizer in my skincare routine this winter. In particular, I wanted to try the Drunk Elephant Protini, and I did. And I got it for my birthday, but I returned it. And I'll tell you why. I would go into Sephora several times and get these little containers full of Protini polypeptide cream. I'd get like 3 of them, and it would last me almost 2 weeks. I would apply this at nighttime on my face and on my neck. And I would do that every night, and then I would just go get more. Now, my husband did buy it for me for my birthday, and I did take it back. So, but I was really happy to try it, and I did like it very much. But here's the reason why I returned it. It is $68, and the jar isn't incredibly large. It looks large, but the product inside the jar, ounce-wise, is not a tremendous amount, in my opinion, to justify the price. So I had been doing research on peptides and Googling things like best polypeptide creams for mature skin, peptides in skincare, and I've been reading about lots of different peptides, and I could bore you with the different types of peptides. For example, there's acetyl hexapeptide, which is arginine, palmitoyl pentapeptide 3, which goes under the name of matrixyl, among others. Polymotyl aluga peptide and copper peptides. And copper peptides fall into copper peptides are very good, but they're sort of an older generation of peptides, and now they have been encompassed into the groups of peptides that are very popular in skincare. I'm trying to make this concise and not confusing to you by just giving you a brief summary of the different types of peptides, but these are the kind of peptides that you'll see in your skincare. Glycopeptides, matrixyl, synthesis. I mean, they go under lots of different names. But what they do is they are small chain amino acids, and they have to be small chain because that allows them to sink into your skin. If they were larger molecules, they would not be able to get into your skin. So they're small chain amino acids that are the building blocks of proteins, and proteins are what help build collagen in your skin. So these peptides stimulate the fibroblast cells in your skin and stimulate them to then send a message to build more collagen and protein, therefore plumping your skin. And it also has the added benefit of stimulating the hyaluronic acid that your skin naturally makes. So the overall finished product is better collagen, moisturized skin, that plump and bouncy skin that kids have. That's the goal, right? That's what we want. That's what we hope to achieve. So I've been interested in those creams, and I did like the Drunk Elephant Protini very much. Another one that is very, very good is the Michelle brand polypeptide cream. And I was hesitant to purchase that one because at my Fresh Market and Whole Foods and the places I saw it, it was about $56. And that's just about $12 less than the Protini. They seem very, very similar. So I continued to research more, and I kept reading that the Andalou Naturals Perfecting Goji Peptide Cream is a dupe for the Protini. So I wanted to see if that was true. So I Googled them and looked at the ingredients and the different peptides they both have. They have some very similar ingredients, but they have some different ingredients, but they both have peptides that will do this plumping and building of collagen within your skin. So, and it's only $19.99. So I've been I used up most of the Protini that I had, and I know what that one feels like. And then I went and I got a sample of the Michelle brand, and they all feel very similar in consistency. I'm gonna show you. This one is the Protini, and it's just this whipped moisturizer cream, and it's very light. It's a very light moisturizer that just sinks right in. It's not creamy, thick, and rich like you know, those really cream-based moisturizers. It sinks in, and it doesn't really leave any feeling behind other than sort of like a primer feel, almost like it has a silicone-y texture, but it doesn't. It doesn't have silicone in it. So, but that's the kind of texture it feels like. The Michelle feels exactly the same. And then I got the Andalou Naturals Perfecting Glycopeptide Cream. And again, it's just that whipped cream, and you put it on and rub it in. It sinks right in. It leaves no feeling behind. So it plays very well beneath your makeup. And I use it right up against my skin, because while I'm trying these peptides, I don't really want to at nighttime, I put them right up against my skin. I don't want to put anything else under them unless it's a night that I'm using my vitamin C serum or my retinol. But in the winter, I've been going light on those two things because my skin tends to get dry in the winter. I read that you have to use it as the directions say to use it. If it says twice a day, twice a day. This one says once a day, so I use it once a day. Sometimes I use it twice a day, but you have to use it consistently. It's not a product that you can use sometimes and then back away from and not use it other times, because otherwise you'll never get the benefit. It's something that you're not going to see overnight results with. You just have to keep using it and keep using it. Now, I will say that I was using this product unaware that I was using a peptide cream, because you have seen on my channel many times that I've shared the Andalou Naturals kit that is like this one. I've purchased this again and again, where it has 5 Andalou Natural products in it. I use the toner, I use everything from this kit, and I love it very much. So I have been using this for a long time, but I haven't been using it daily. But I've loved it for a long time. So I was surprised to find out that I really had been including these peptides in my skincare for a much longer time than I realized, and you may be too. So I am going to give this polypeptide cream a try. I'm going to use this entire jar. I'm going to try to include a polypeptide cream in my skincare for at least the next year and let my skin just see the benefits, because it's a product, like I said, you have to use for a long time. So it's not like I can come on here and say, look, I've been using this for 2 months and my skin looks great. So this is going to be a long-term study on my skin, but I feel like my skin is pretty firm, and I think it's because I take good care of it, and I have been using polypeptide creams unaware for so long. So that's what I wanted to tell you about. And I did notice that the Michelle brand polypeptide cream that looks so good. All the ingredients are so good. Like I said, it's $56, but I checked on Amazon and you can get it for $36. I'll link that one below too, in case you like the Michelle brand. I do love the Michelle brand very much. The Drunk Elephant is really nice. It's $68. If you want to try that one, but I think you'll be just as pleased with this $19.99 Goji Peptide Cream. And if you still don't want to spend that much, you could get the Andalou Naturals kit and give it a try, just to make sure it doesn't break you out, that your skin doesn't have any sensitivities to it, so on and so forth. But just taking one more step back, the My Shell cream, if you decide to go with that one, make sure you get the unscented one. I did go into my Fresh Market and tried it on my hand, and I accidentally grabbed the scented one, and it had a strong scent in my opinion. But there is an unscented version, so get the unscented version. Don't get the scented one. And this one, it doesn't really have a scent that I can detect. It really doesn't. If it has any scent at all, it is incredibly faint. I can't perceive it. So yeah. So the next thing I wanted to do was announce another giveaway. I am going to purchase the Andalou Naturals kit in the age-defying polypeptide range of products for a giveaway. So it will include this, but in this bottle, it will include the toner, it will include the night cream, and it will include, I think, a cleanser, but it will include 5 products. And I'll do a giveaway so that one of you can try it and see how you like it. And all you have to do is say peptides. Well, no, that's pretty easy. So all of you will probably say peptides in your comment. Say age-defying in your comment, because it's the age-defying range of products from Andalou Naturals, the Goji Peptide Perfecting Cream. And so just say age-defying in your comment, and I will know that you would like to be entered in the giveaway. And then within a week or two, I'll draw a name using random comment picker, and another one of you will get to win. The only thing I ask is that whoever wins this one, don't also enter this one, because it gives somebody else an opportunity to try these products. So anyway, that's all I wanted to share with you today. And yeah, let's just hope for the best with these polypeptide creams, right? We want our skin to look firm and bouncy as we age, and we are so blessed to have so many great ingredients at our fingertips to allow us to age the best we can. So I hope you all enjoyed this little video. If you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up. Please leave any questions and comments below. Don't forget to say age-defying if you want to be entered in the giveaway, and I'll see you next time.